Hollywood trailers are manipulating your emotions without you even realizing it. Ever wonder why these trailers always seem to get you excited for the movie even if you weren't interested before? There is a method to the madness. It's all about following a formula that draws you in from the very first frame. So, let's break down what makes these trailers so effective. It all starts with the opening hook. Trailers know they only have a few seconds to get you interested. So they start with something big. A punchy line, a dramatic moment, or an intriguing visual. It's like a teaser for the teaser. The goal here is to pull you in immediately and make you curious enough to stick around. This first bit is crucial. If it doesn't grab you right off the bat, chances are you're moving on to the next video. Then there is Act 1. Once they hooked you, trailers give you a little more context. Here's where they set this stage for the movie. Who's in it, what's going on, and what kind of vibe you're in for. Whether it's a sweeping landscape or a close-up of the lead character, it's about giving you just enough information to get what the movie is about without giving away too much. This part is like a mini intro, giving you the basics so you're not totally in the dark when the action starts. Then there is Act 2. Now things start heating up. The trailer moves into the conflict or problem that drives the movie. The music picks up, scenes flash quicker, and the stakes start to rise. Maybe there's a glimpse of the villain, or a dramatic argument, or a chase scene. The whole point is to build excitement without giving too much away. This is where you're fully invested. You want to know what happens next, but they're not going to give it all to you just yet. And then there's Act 3. Now we're at the high point. The trailer is showing you the most exciting, heart-pounding scenes, giving you a taste of the big moments the movie has to offer. Explosions, emotional confrontations, action shots, it's all about leaving you on the edge of your seat. The music swells, everything feels intense, and you're left thinking, I need to see this. They're showing you just enough to get you hyped, but not so much that you feel like you've seen the whole movie. And then there's the final tease. Just when you think the trailer's over, they hit you with one last nugget. A funny line, a shocking reveal, or a mysterious shot. It's that final moment that sticks in your mind and makes you go, wait, what was that? This last tease keeps the movie fresh in your head, so you don't forget it the minute the trailer ends. This is their way of keeping the buzz going, leaving you wanting to know more. So that's the secret sauce. Hollywood trailers are all about balancing teases, tension, and payoff to keep you watching and, more importantly, excited. It's not just about showing cool scenes, it's about taking you on a little emotional roller coaster, building anticipation so that by the time the movie drops, you're already hooked. Thanks for watching.